Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add pictures to Trello cards just like this. So let's get right into it. Of course, what you need to do is log into your account, go to the board where you want to edit the cards, and then go into the cards themselves. Now, as you can see, these two don't have pictures, so I'll choose task 1 and I'll add a picture to it. Now, I accidentally marked that I'm done with the task, so don't do that, but just click on the title of the card and you're gonna go into this menu. From here you have two ways in which you can do this. You can go into cover and click upload a cover image, or you can go to attachment and then choose a file. It really doesn't matter what you do, as long as you upload an image, a JPEG, PNG, or whatever, you will have the image uploaded as a background image or a title card. Now just go into the file that you want, select the picture, click open, and as you can see, it'll add the picture over here to the top, and it looks like this initially. However, if you want to change it to look like this, which looks a bit nicer in my opinion, just go into the menu again and go into, it should be here, just click here, or into cover, yeah, just click on cover and then select this other option, and you can choose whether you want the black at the bottom, the black gradient, or the white gradient. It really doesn't matter, choose whatever fits best, and once you set it up, it will look like this. And that is pretty much all you have to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.